arrived at the biggest photography show in Wales just to have a look at some gear, talk to some brands, talk to some people, to some other YouTube content creators and content creators, and just report to you what you can actually see here and what's new. Probably nothing, but something maybe. This is the smallest photography show I have seen. It's not big, but it's good. There's a lot of brands. Sony is here, Nikon is here, Canon is here, Fuji, OM Systems, a lot of other brands as well. So it's great because it's smaller. It's great to talk to more people, easier. Try the gear as well. You can touch stuff easier, lenses, cameras, and talk to right people if you're interested in any of those brands exhibiting here. It's hard to get excited about a tripod, but this innovation from Vanguard, it's amazing. It's got a swivel arm. It's got a swivel arm, and you can attach two cameras to it. So you can actually swivel the camera around the subject you're filming or object you're filming. Pretty smart. Apparently, there's a dragon in Wales, like this one. Nikon. I've got a very long history with Nikon. I have shot with Nikon cameras for over 20 years, photography and video in the end with DSLR cameras. I have used Z6 and Z6 II mirrorless cameras, they're great, but the Z8, the Mini Z9 is literally amazing. It's exciting with this camera. 46 million pixels photography, but 8K video, 4K 120p, beautiful big screen, doesn't flip forward because it's not for you vloggers, it's for serious photographers and filmmakers, and it looks and feels beautiful. I am literally hoping, I have spoken to Nikon now, and I'm hoping to have this camera on loan very soon to do a full in-depth review and actually use it and tell you more about it. But the first look, the first feel, it's a proper serious camera. I love it. Nikon is doing it, smashing it again. This is something happening always at these photography shows. There's a lighting company, there's a model usually, and there's a lot of old blokes, old men taking their pictures of it like they never seen a human being, a female human being. I'm here at Fuji stand with a baby H2, the XS20. Beautiful little camera, APS sensor, 26 million pixels. This is the same sensors as the X-T4, by the way, X-T5 processor. It does 6.2K open gate raw video out to Atomos and Blackmagic recorders, and it's very pretty. I'll be reviewing this on my channel very soon, so yeah, check it out. I have been a Vanguard bag user for a very long time. Over the year I've been using this adapter bag for many times. It traveled with me pretty much around the world last year, and I love this backpack for many reasons. I have reviewed it before on my channel, so check it out and review out. But I will be upgrading very soon because very often that bag, firstly, it's just slightly too small to pack all the gear I need to take with me sometimes, and sometimes when I pack it, all I need is just too heavy. So I'm looking at this bag. I'll be reviewing it very soon. I'll be using it very soon as well. It's slightly bigger, but also actually it's got a handle and its own wheels, which is very good if you got a lot of stuff, heavy stuff to carry with you at the airport or when just generally traveling around. I'm here with Samyang, the new 35 to 150mm very exciting lens. But here on my other hand, I do have an amazing Tamron 35 to 150mm, which is significantly more expensive. It's marginally lighter, about the same size, but is this lens stacking up to this? I think it will, and we'll be reviewing it very soon. So yeah, stay tuned.
Have cam. Pav's in the bathroom currently. We're just with his camera. He left it with us.
Hi, Pav.
I'm here at OM Systems stand. with a beautiful M5, which I have reviewed recently. But I'm here to have a look at this 90mm macro. This lens is macro, obviously. It's great for taking pictures of things, small things, and getting close. But no other system offers this. They do have a teleconverter, 8 times teleconverter, which 90mm macro becomes super macro. I'll be reviewing that lens as well soon. I'm hoping to have my hands on this for a while, very soon, for a detailed review of this beautiful lens. Ricoh, the one brand which I haven't actually used yet, but this GR3 camera is just something else. It's known for street photography, it's used for street photography, travel photography, because it's really small. It reminds me of those film cameras you had in the 80s or 90s, you could put in your pocket. Really small, really cute, obviously fully digital with a nice screen and a high quality good camera. Pentax, the underdog, I think. Only one brand I know of which doesn't do mirrorless cameras at the moment. They only do DSLRs, and there's one brand which a lot of people don't talk about. Well, there's not many photographers literally saying, oh, you have to use Pentax. It's kind of one of those brands which is good and known, but not shouted about. I've been playing with this personal project of not copying, but being inspired by Lee Jeffries and his high contrast black and white style. And I'm trying to photograph 10 people in that style, just for experiment really, or to do something creative. These models actually posing here with their rotolight, blending the lights for people to use to photograph models they're supplying. That actually allowed me to do some creative stuff. I used the opportunity to shoot different faces in a different style today. I'm here at the Sigma stand. Sigma have supported me really from the beginning of my channel. I have reviewed pretty much all the current lenses, the DJI lenses. There's one lens which alerted me somehow. It's a Sigma
14 at 1.4.
I love it. I reviewed it 2 weeks ago.
Oh yes, you did.
I got interrupted with my beautiful piece about Sigma. I got interrupted.
Sorry.
About the Sigma lens. It's a 40mm is an amazing lens, and I have reviewed it recently. Check that out review. But can I have a look at that macro lens, please?
Yeah, 70mm.
So this is the one lens which alerted me somehow. I didn't know it actually existed. DJI Macro, not DJI, is the original or the first of the DJI series macro lens, 70mm, and I didn't know it existed. So possibly I'll make a video about it very soon for you. It's cheaper than a 105 macro lens. It's a bit slower, but it's a Sigma. It's obviously guaranteed quality. Thank you for ruining my shot.
Ruining? I made it better.
Yeah, I made it better.
Yeah.
You talked about Sigma in front of Sigma. That's just, you know, it's a win-win.
Sigma are great lenses. I use them across the board. I mainly shoot with the Sigma 35 1.2, and it's excellent.
They're all amazing.
My favourite lens. Yeah.
You can't go wrong with Sigma. You can't go wrong with Sigma.
Thank you.
What happened again?
That tree just came out of nowhere, right there.
Tree. Done one. Hello Emily, microphone nerds.
It's been a while.
I think we are exposed.
Boo.
I'm on ISO 4000, just because I can.
Just because you can.
There you go, that's better. Hello.
Hello.
Again. How are you?
It is always a pleasure, Pav. Always a pleasure.
I know, I think you keep following me.
I do. I am stalking you.
I keep vlogging in different parts of this country and you're always there.
That's it, I'm everywhere.
How was this photography show for you?
I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing the talk. I enjoyed talking to all the suppliers. And I, of course, enjoyed seeing you.
Oh, yeah, pleasure on my side as well. It was definitely a different, and I've enjoyed myself. It was
Excellent.
Nice. Meeting you is definitely on top of the, don't know what the word is on this trip.
Who were your favourite suppliers? Who did you get on with?
Panasonic, I don't know, yeah. I think you're doing talk today as well.
Yeah, we're doing a workshop today all about entry-level videography with the Lumix ecosystem.
Lumix? You are Lumix user?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I'm Team GH6 and our friend Josh Cameron is Team S5.
Yeah, that's good. I'm sure you're gonna smash it.
Oh, thank you very much.
Good luck.
Thanks.
We're gonna hug for goodbye.
Bye-bye.
See you on a different
See you at the
show,
next one.
different event in a different part of the country. Hopefully up north this time.
Yes, please.
Bye. I didn't really know what to expect from the biggest photography show in Wales, but it turned out to be absolutely amazing event. The size of it is just right. You do have all the big brands like Sony, Canon, Nikon, Fuji, and One Systems, Sigma, Tamron. They're all here, and this because it's a smaller venue, it's a smaller stand. It's more accessible. It's easier to talk to people you need to talk to. It's great for trying new cameras, new lenses, or stuff you want to buy first. You can actually touch stuff. You can actually try. If you want to buy a new lens and you're not sure about it, you can actually come with your camera and put it on. They will allow you to. It's good to talk to brands because there is no huge queues. It's busy, but it's not as busy as the big show, the big photography show in Birmingham. It's accessible, and that's the main thing. It's definitely a place to check out if you are interested in photography, if you want to geek out on photography and video gear. You got it all under one roof in a smallish venue, small-ish event, which is great to enjoy, to attend. And that's it for this year. I'm sad to go, but I'm leaving after a very long 2 days with a tripod, a new tripod from Vanguard. Looks good, very good. And I'm ready to drive home. It was very much worth it coming here. And I'll be here next year again.